Hello students, welcome to Vidya Merat. I am going to teach you a very interesting topic, exponents and powers for class 8, where in this video main concentration will be on the rules of the exponents and how we can write it into the exponential form. So these are the different types of questions which usually come where you will ask to simplify it and write it in exponential form. For doing this, you need to know the various rules of the exponents. So let us begin with that. Now if you look here, it is written 10 and 24. This 24 is little on the upward side. So if I want to know what is 10 and what is 24, see that 10 is the base of a number and 24 is known as the exponent or power. Now how I am going to read this? It will be read as 10 raised to the power of 24. So whatever that number is, if anything is there closer to it on a little upward side, it will be treated at its power and it will be raised as that number, whatever the base number is, raised to the power of that number. Now if you look here, I have written two numbers, 10 raised to the power of 2 and 10 raised to the power of minus 2. Now what does it mean? One is with the positive power and one is with the negative power, because you can see there is a minus sign. And how I am going to solve this? 10 raised to power 2 means I will write 10 multiplied by 10, 2 times the base number. Whenever there is a minus sign, you will write the reciprocal of that number. So 10 will become 1 upon 10. I can write it as 1 upon 10 raised to power 2, which will be simplified into 1 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10. Now when I solve this, one is 100 and other one is 1 upon 100. If you have the similarity or a comparison between them, you will see that they both are the reciprocal of one another. Okay, or we can also call it as they are the multiplicative inverse. If 100 is there, the multiplicative inverse of 100 is 1 upon 100. If 1 upon 100 is there, its multiplicative inverse will be 100. Same way, you have 3 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power minus 2. So they both are the multiplicative of their inverse. It will be in a form of am. The multiplicative inverse is a raised to power minus m. So these are the few questions for which you can write down the multiplicative inverse for your practice. Another way of question is, there is written expand 1, 4 to 5 in the exponential form, which means you know how to write it in expanded form. First thing is write in the expanded form. Okay, it will be written as 1 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5. Now, how to write in exponential form is, look into the thousands, hundreds and tens. You will write these in the form of powers. Now, 1000 can be written as 10 raised to power 3. 100 can be written as 10 raised to power 2. And 10 can be written as 10 raised to power 1. Now, where 1000 has 3 zeros, so when I write it in exponents, there is cube. 100 has 2 zeros, when I write it in exponents, it has 2. 10 has 1 0, so I can write 1. So this is the way how to write in exponential form. Now there is a case when you have decimal also. That also can be written in exponential form. You know how to write in expanded form. After the decimal, it will be in a form of 1 upon 10 or 1 upon 100. So when I write this, like all will be same. Look after the decimal, 3 into 1 upon 10 and 6 into 1 upon 100. Now when you have division part and you have to convert it into exponents form, the power will become negative. So how to write powers? 1 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 plus 3 into 10 raised to power minus 1, and 100 will be written as 10 raised to power minus 2. Now, this is just for your information. We should know that 10 raised to power minus 1 is 1 upon 10 and 10 raised to power minus 2 is 1 upon 10 square. So, opposite also you should know. So, what is 1 upon 10? 10 raised to power minus 1. What is 1 upon 10 raised to power 2 will be 10 raised to power minus 2. It will become the reciprocal of the number. Now there are certain rules of exponents which are very simple, very easy. Just understand and take concentration here. Number one rule is when your base is same but powers are different. Okay. Like I have written in an example, 2 raised to power 2 dot means multiply 2 raised to power 6. Now 2 is same, the base is same. I will add the powers. It will become 2 raised to power 2 plus 6, which is equal to 2 raised to power 8. Same way, there can be a situation when your base is different but power is same. In that case, you will multiply your base but power you will take it common. Now 4 raised to power 5 multiply by 2 raised to power 5 will be equal to 4 multiply by 2. Both are base, different base. Multiply it and write down 5 as common. So it will become 8 raised to power 5. Another rule is the division rule, which is simple. In this you need to subtract the powers. Whenever there is a division part, you will subtract the powers. So 7 raised to power 5 minus 3 will become 7 raised to power 2, which you can further simplify also and write it as 7 into 7, which is equal to 49. The last part is power rule. In this, there are two powers in the number. If you look here, I have taken an example of 4 raised to power 2, the whole 6. There are two powers. When there are two powers closer to one another with a bracket, you will multiply the powers. So it will become 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 4 raised to power 12. And any number which is raised to power 0, which can be any 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, any number, their answer will be always equal to 1. So the golden rule is anything raised to power 0 is 1. Let us practice some questions. Now see, 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 4 raised to power 4. Which rule to be applied here? You have same base but different powers. So write the base 4 and add the powers. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So similar questions are there. You can practice them. Another question. 5 raised to power 2, the whole 4. The whole 4, what does it mean? Now, there are two powers. When there are two powers with a single number, you need to multiply. So 5 raised to power 2 into 4, which is equal to 5 raised to power 8. So similar questions you can do for your practice. Next is the division rule. In the case of division, we know we subtract the powers. So answer comes to 5 raised to power 1, which I can also write as only 5. Okay. Next rule is 4 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. Both the powers are same, but the base is different. When the base is different, you will multiply the base. So it will become 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3, common 3 outside, which will become 12 raised to power 3. Last question, 5 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Whether it is 5, 2, 2 digit, 5 digit, any number of thing. Anything raised to power 0, you will write simply 1 as the answer. So I hope children, you must have understood the rules. These were very simple, very easy. Please do the practice. There are so many questions written on the yellow boxes and there is a separate assignment also. Follow the rules. write down somewhere and do lots of practice so that you don't face any problem. Even you have exponents in your next class also, 9th class. So first be sure here so that you don't face any problems later on. In the next video I will teach you how we can find out the values in the exponential form. And really, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you in the